Ukuphumelela kulokhu kuzodinga izwe ukuba libambisane. Isiqalo sokubambisana kuzokuba izingxoxo ezizobanjwa ezweni.
And this is being convened in response to the many calls that were made by individuals, leaders, eminent persons, as well as various formations from across society.
Ziyaqhubeka nezinhlelo zokwakha amathuba omsebenzi nokusimamisa umnotho ngaphansi komkhankaso we-Operation Vulindlela.
The greatest challenge that faces our country today is youth unemployment. Approximately 3.8 million out of 10.3 million young South Africans aged 15 to 20 years and currently not in employment, education or training.
Khathi yethula ivoti lesabelo mali sehhovisi lakhe umengameli usivikela isinqumo sakhe sokungamxoshi ungqongqoshe wamaphoyisa uSenzo Mchunu kulandela insolo ezenziwe ngaye ngukhomishana wamaphoyisa KwaZulu-Natal uNhlanhla Mkhwanazi.
It is therefore strange that some people have voiced strong opposition to the establishment of this inquiry. Some have even said that I should take immediate punitive steps against Mr. Senzo Mchunu on the basis of untested allegations. Not only would this be unfair, but it would also create a very dangerous precedent.
Amanye amaqembu ePhalamende alikhahlele ngazo zombili izinyawo ivoti lesabelo mali sehhovisi likamengameli.
And today we are asked to fund this office to rubber stamp this betrayal. Never, never. Mr. Ramaphosa, you claim to fight corruption, yet you are the living, breathing embodiment of corruption itself. Under your watch, South Africa has become a land of commissions of inquiry without convictions.
Today, we are gathered to debate the presidency budget of an administration which is rotting from the head and which has surrendered our nation to criminal syndicates and drug cartels.